So what do you think Bosch Rexroth makes? What
I
categories?
don't really know.
This is just Bosch. Bosch Rexroth,
So
the facility Rexroth. So they do drive and control technology.
Oh, it's right here in Bethlehem.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Bosch Rexroth has influenced manufacturing since 1967. They are innovators of machinery, devices, packaging, technology, and more.
So Bosch Rexroth helps impact society by making things move, whether it's by sea, for example, the Panama Canal project, by land. A great example is a roller coaster thrill ride, or even by air. We have worked on projects that support launching rockets into space.
Rexroth produces a variety of valves engineered by innovators who spend their time thinking of new ideas and ways to improve the quality and efficiency of the assembly line.
We have projects that we work on over a longer period of time. So we might have, 3 months that we want to finish this project in. So I spend some time devoted to these types of projects that are, we call them CIP or continuous improvement projects. And those are following an overall structure that kind of dictates what we prioritize as the most important things to do.
Other employees at the facility are the manufacturing line staff who turn the engineers' ideas into real products.
We do approximately 1,349 variations of valves that I have learned throughout the years. It's a matter of organizing the orders in retrospect to the tooling, to the type, to the family in which the valves fall in.
Employees at Bosch Rexroth have varied levels of education, which allow them to operate different parts of the facility.
The various education levels required start at an entry level with a high school diploma and can include up to a master's degree to run and manage the manufacturing line.
If you stop and look around you, whether you're in an amusement park, riding through a canal on a cruise ship, or about to be launched into outer space, Bosch Rexroth has you covered. Thank you, Bosch Rexroth.